Stop getting bad AI results. Master the language of AI in minutes. Have you ever asked ChatGPT to write something for you and the result was just boring, generic, robotic? If you are getting bad results from AI, it's not the AI's fault, it's your prompt. Today I am going to show you the exact languages of AI and how to go from getting basic answers to generating mind blowing results. Welcome back. I'm Omprakash. If we haven't met, I teach people how to master generative AI and build real world applications. Think of a prompt as a creative brief that you give to an incredible, smart, fast, but very literally assistant. It's not just a question, it's a command, a story starter, and a detailed set of instructions. And today, prompts are more than just text. You can use images, documents, or even audio. But to get the magic out of these tools, you need to understand the fundamental rules of how they think. Let me share the golden rule of prompting. Specificity is your superpower. The quality of your output is entirely tied to the quality of your input. Vague request yields dull results. If you give a vague prompt like write about coffee, you will get a vague, boring article that sounds like a robot wrote it. But what if you changed that? What if you typed write a 100 words Instagram post about the joy of the first sip of coffee on a rainy Monday morning? The tone should be cozy and uplifting. See the difference. You gave the AI a clear target. Being specific isn't harder, it's just clearer. Now, before we dive into the two secret frameworks the pros use to write prompts, I want to let you know that this lesson is actually a sneak peek from my complete course Generative AI for Beginners Chatbot with Vibe Coding. If you want to go deeper, build your own chatbot using vibe coding, and actually master these tools step by step, check out my full generative AI course on Udemy. The link is right down in the description below. Now let's look at prompting strategy number 1. Strategy number 1 is called zero shot prompting. Zero shot is a fancy industry term that just means you are asking the AI to do something directly without giving it any period examples. You are trusting that the AI is smart enough to understand your request right out of the box. Trusting the AI out of the box. For example, you could say, summarize the key ideas of quantum physics in the style of a private sea shanty. Modern models like GPT-4 or Claude are so powerful they can handle this brilliantly. Zero Shot is your go to for quick, straightforward tasks where you just need immediate action. But what if you want the AI to follow a very specific format, tone, or style that is unique to your brand? That's where strategy number 2 comes in few shot prompting. This is where you give the AI a couple of examples of exactly what you want before you get it, the real task. You are showing it the pattern. Let's say you want product slogans, showing the pattern to get the perfect response. Your prompt would looks like this. Here are some examples. Product smartwatch, slogan the future of your wrist. Product noise cancelling headphones, slogan your private world of sound. Once you show it the pattern, you give it the real task. Now create a slogan for this new product, a self-watering plant pot. By showing the AI the product to slogan pattern, you guide it to give you a highly targeted, perfectly formatted response. To recap, stop being vague. Use zero shot for quick tasks and use few shot when you need a specific pattern or style. If you master these two techniques, you are already ahead of 90% of people using AI today. You are no longer just a user, you are an AI director. This was just a sneak peek. Build the future without traditional coding. If you found this helpful, you are going to love what we do in the full program. I have covered advanced personas, prompt chaining, AI video generation, and even build working AI applications together without any traditional coding. Begin your generative AI journey today. The course link with a special discount is below in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if the comment what you want to build with AI. See you in the next one.